Hello scholars, welcome to our math class for today. Today we will complete lesson 19 of your Common Core Grade 2 Module 3 workbook. Our focus will be the ability to model and use language to tell about 1 more and 1 less, 10 more and 10 less, and 100 more and 100 less. Lovers, let's warm up. It's time to move on to differences. We've been doing addition all along. Let us talk about differences. Subtraction, minus. Now look at these examples. 5 minus 3. Well, what is 5 minus 3? Remove 3 from 5. 2, you're correct. Now look at 15 minus 3. What is that? 12. You're correct. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 17 minus 1 is what? 16. Now let me ask you, what do you see happening? Do you see that I give you a simple one, add 10 more to the same number, and then you subtract the same. For example, I gave you 5, I added 10 more to it too, and all the time you were subtracting 3 from it. 5 minus 3, 15 minus 3. The same thing with the other numbers. I just did 10 more with these numbers. Funny, isn't it? That is what you're going to do for me now in your sprint. That's a 19 sprint. You're going to see exactly the pattern I just followed. For example, you're going to say 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then I'll add 10 more to the 3. You still remove 1 from it. 10 again. So that's what you do. Complete your sprint quickly. Alright, so let us work with the place value disk now, your place value chart. Show 110 on your place value chart. I've put it for you. The disk of 100 and another disk of 10, 110. Use 10 disks to count by tens up to 150. Alright, so we have 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Let us add another 10 disks, 160. So 10 more than 150 is what? 160. Correct. Let us add another 10 disks, 170. 10 more than 160 is 170. Alright, so this is what we just did. 150, 10 more than 150 is 160, and 10 more than 160 is 170. So the difference between each of these numbers, 10. Yes. Can you predict 10 more than 170? What is 10 more than 170? Count the disks from your 10. That is 170, and we're looking for 10 more than 170. That's it. 180. 10 more than 170 is 180. Now count by ones to show 186. We have 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186. What is 1 more than 186? 187. 1 more than 186 is 187. Now, what is 1 more than 187? We just said 188. Alright, so let's look at the pattern again. On the left hand side, where you see 150, 160, 170, I did 10 more. And on the other side, the right hand side, where you see 186, 187, 180, I did 1 more. You notice? Good. You see, they're different. The other one is 10 more. This other right hand side is one more. Okay, so let us count by hundreds. The number we have now is 188. What place will change? 100 more than 186 will be what? Add 100 place. That is it. Will be 286. So if you check what we have done, we've done 10 more, 150, 160, 170. We did one more, 186, 187, 188. From 188, we did 100 more, 188, 288. Let's fill in the sentence frame first, then add 100 sticks to check. We have 288, and we're looking for 100 more than 288. What would that be? 388. Now this time, let's take away 100 disk. So we're looking for 100 less than 280, 388. 100 less than 388 is, that's it, 288. Now let us look for 100 less than 288. We have 288. 100 less than 288 will be what? 188. Okay, so see what you've done. From 388, we did 100 less, we got 288. And from 288, we did another 100 less, and we got 188. Now take away 110 disk. We have 188. Now 10 less than 188 is what? 178. 178. Now let us take away another 10 disk. 10 less than 178 is what? 168. Fantastic. So this is what we've done. On the left hand side, we did 100 less, and now on the right hand side, we did 10 less. Now take away a 1 disk. We have 168. So 1 less than 168 is 167. Let's take away another 1 disk. That is 1 less than 167 is 166. So notice what you've done. On the left hand side, 388, 288, 188, we did 100 less. In the middle, 188, 178, 168, we did 10 less. And on the right hand side, 168, 167, 166, we did 1 less. That is fun. Now look at your screen. What number am I showing? 4 discs of 100, 2 discs of 10, and 7 discs of 1s. That is 427. What is 1 more than 427? It will be, what's your guess? Alright, the answer is 428. 1 more than. Now, what is 1 more than 428? It will be 429. If you do 1 less than 429 is 428. Now 1 more than 428 is 429. You're correct. Okay, I place value chart. Can you see how many digits of 100, how many digits of 10, and how many digits of 1? 4 digits of hundreds, 3 digits of 10, and 9 digits of 1s. That is 439. So 10 more than 429 is what you say, 439. 10 more than. Now look, check again. What changed? I added another 10. So what's my new number? 449. 10 more than 439 is 440. Check my numbers now. I have 5 digits of hundreds, 4 digits of 10, and 9 digits of 1. The 100 more than 449 will be 549. Correct. And what is 100 more than 549? Is 649. If I want to put another digit, I will have to put 100. So, look at these two numbers. What is the difference between 469 and what is the difference between 649 and 650? You know, just add 1 to 649. 1 more than 649 is 600. Alright, let us look at this application problem. Mr. Palmer second grade class is collecting cans for recycling. Adrian collected 362 cans. Jade collected 392, and Isaiah collected 562 cans. How many more cans did Isaiah collect than Adrian? You see, Jade's figure has nothing to do with the solution. So concentrate on the two we're looking for. How many did Adrian collect, and how many did Isaiah collect? Adrian collected 362, Isaiah collected 562. I circled them for you. Now look at 362. If you skip count by 100, that is 100 more than 362 is 462, and 100 more than 462 is 562. So you can see that 562 is 200 more than 362. So Isaiah collected 200 more cards than Adrian. That's simple, isn't it? Alright, so complete the problem set. Quite simple. 100 more, 100 less, 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less, and then bring your work to class. See you. Bye.